Welcome back. I'm Laura McMann, the Executive Chef here at Bethlehem Area School District. We visit our final stop this year to Vietnam. Today we're going to make a banh mi, which is traditionally a crusty baguette with some pickled vegetables, meats, and some spicy peppers. So this is our version. We're going to start with our crusty baguette, and we're going to put some mayonnaise on here, tablespoon. You want to spread it evenly on both sides of the baguette. There we go. And then we're going to put some of our lean turkey breast on our roll. And then we have our pickled veg. This is just some green cabbage, some carrots, a little bit of vinegar, some sugar, and some fresh cilantro. You want to spread that on the top of your baguette. Gives the sandwich a lot of crunch, nice texture. And then just like a traditional banh mi, after your pickled veg, you want to go with some spicy peppers. So these are fresh jalapenos. If you're going to make this sandwich at home, I recommend you wear gloves. These seeds have a tendency to be hot on your skin. And there is our Vietnamese banh mi sandwich. Enjoy.